Okay, so you got two options here. You can break this apart two different ways. Okay? For instance, don't do what I'm doing yet. Just pay attention. You could draw a line here, right? And break it into this rectangle and this rectangle, yes? Okay, or you can draw it here. Everybody see? It technically does not matter. Okay? It does not matter. The only difference, though, is sometimes you have to look at what you have. You might not be able to do that because you don't know all the sides that you need. All right? So, for instance, if I broke it apart here, so on your paper, draw you a line right here. We're going to break it apart right there. All right? What do you think? Okay. Okay. All right, so real quick, what Seth's saying is he says he's going to subtract 5 from 12 because we know that this little segment right here is also what? 5. Okay? But this whole part is 12. So we don't need the whole 12. We only need this segment now, which what is 12 minus 5? 7. All right? So now let's look here at the smaller rectangle. How do I find the area of that? 5 times 4, which gives me 20. Okay, the area of the small rectangle is 20. Okay, how do I find the area of the large rectangle? 15 times 7, which gives me what? 105. Okay, so now what you've told me is you've told me the area of the small, you've told me the area of the large. What do you need to tell me now? Add them together to get the total. So 20 plus 105 is going to give me 125. Okay, I'm not a stickler about your units. Okay, when you get to math 2, if your units are wrong, your entire problem will be wrong. So it's useful to go ahead and get in that habit. But if you got the number for me right now, we're doing good. Okay? All right, now, seems pretty easy when you know it because they are numbers. Right? Okay, I know that 12 minus 5 gave me 7. Okay? But that's not necessarily how it's going to go. So, let's try this one right here that still has numbers. Okay, so you take a minute, break it apart however you want to, see if you can figure it out. break it horizontally right here. Right here. Okay, so 6 times 4 gave you what? All right, so the small one was 24. Okay, and then if this is 6 and this is 6, so 14 minus 6 makes this segment 8. And 16 times 8 gave you 128. So we add them up, 128 plus 24, and that gives us 152. Is everybody with me? Okay, so, let me see real quick. I'll have to look, hang on. I was trying to see something else. It's 14 times 4, 40, 56. And then 8 times 8 is 64. All right, here we go. Right, like this one right, well, yeah, this one right here is just like what we've been doing. What are we going to do? All right, so 3x plus 1 times x plus 3 and distribute it out. Go. Yeah. Yeah. 3x squared. Okay. All right, 3x squared plus 9x and plus 1x does in fact give you 10x. So 3x squared plus 10x plus 3, right? Okay, easy enough. All right, so the next one though, right, is where we start putting them together. Okay, so same thing here. We're going to break it apart, but it's just not as easy as 12 minus 8 or 12 minus 5 or something like that. Okay, you got to think a little bit. All right, so if we break it apart right here, everybody with me? Okay, this small area is going to be 3x times 2x. 6x squared. Good job, 6x squared. Is everybody with me there? 3x times 2x is 6x squared. Are we good? Okay. Now, instead of taking away a number this time, we're actually going to subtract 10x minus 3x, which gives us, so this side is 7x and this side is 12x. What does that give us? 84x squared. So to get our total area, it's going to be 84x squared plus 6x squared, which equals 90x squared. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we got some pluses and minuses. That makes it a little bit different. And here's why it makes it different. Because just like yesterday, whenever we did the area of the shaded region, some of you forget to distribute your negative sign. Right? Okay? That'll change your answer here. All right, so let's break it apart. Okay, so the first area is going to be what times what? This one right here. What's that going to be? So 3x times x plus 1. Alright, go ahead, Faith. That gives me what? 3x squared plus 3x. Okay, that's the easy part. The hard part is finding the other side. Okay, so here's my other rectangle, correct? Okay, which side do I already have? Which side do I know I need? What is that? I'm saying, but which one of these do I not have to subtract from? The 3x plus 9, right? I need this whole side, right? So that's 3x plus 9. Now, on this part, I don't need that whole side. I need 8x, but I have to take away 3x. And what does that make that side? 5x. Okay, so I'm going to multiply 3x plus 9 times 5x. 15x squared. Okay, 15x squared plus 45x, right? All right, and then the last step is to add. Okay, so I'm adding, just so I understand, I'm adding this okay, plus this. Okay, and what is that going to give me? 18x squared plus 48. Okay, so is it hard? No, it's not exactly hard. But you do have to be careful with that subtracting, okay? All right, where are we at on the front? The very last one on the front? All right. What you got? Well, because you're talking about the shaded region, you always subtract. Yeah, shaded region, you always subtract. This one, anytime it's asking for the total area, you're going to add. That's totally different. All right, let's break this apart, and then I'm going to let you work on it on your own. All right, what's the area of the end of the smaller one? 2x times x, right? All right, now let's look at the larger one. I know I need which side completely? 5x plus 10, right? And then what is the side that I don't have? This whole side is 4x minus 1. But what do I have to take away from that? No. And this is where we get confused. Okay? You're not going to take away a horizontal line and a vertical line. Does everybody understand that? They aren't the same way. You're not going to take them away. So I need this side, ultimately, right? This whole side is 4x minus 1. What is this piece? X. So it's 4x minus 1 minus x. So what is 4x minus x? 3x minus 1. So now you have to distribute there. Yeah, with 5x plus 1. Or 10, sorry. You have to get it. You got to add that to the 2x squared. right here. 2x times x. It's going to give me 2x squared, right? All right, so inside here we get 15x squared minus 5x plus 3x minus 1, right? Which gives me 15x squared minus 2x minus 1, right? Add these together. That gives me 17x squared minus 2x minus 1. Well, you got 31 by the 10 and 3, and then you had a 1. Oh, I put a 1 too, didn't I? So you're right. I thought that was the end of my parenthesis. So 30x. So it is 25x here, right? Okay, I got you. My bad. We're going to blame it on my board that doesn't write half the time. What's wrong? Right. So it'll be plus 25x, right? Minus 10. See that little thing, that half thing threw me off. Yeah. See what? Well, I got it wrong because my board ain't right. There we go. Much better. All right. Okay, try this one. Pay attention. All right. Most of you aren't struggling with the small figure. Okay. You know this is x. Oh, not right there. You know this is x times x plus 2, right? Which gives you plus 2x. Okay, so that's the small one. All right, now, again, the larger rectangle, which side do I need all of? The 7x plus 2. I need that whole side, right? Okay, so that's where I'm going to start. But on this side, I don't need the whole 5x plus 3. So I'm going to have to take something away from that. You won't take away a horizontal from a vertical, ever. It's got to both be horizontal or both be vertical. Right. Like you're not going to subtract the bottom from the side. That doesn't do you any good. You've got to subtract part of the bottom from the other part or whatever. Okay? So I'm going to take away x plus 2 from 5x plus 3 minus x plus 2. Right there, what do you need to do? Distribute that negative, so that gives me 5x plus 3 minus x minus 2, which gives me, what is my total there? 4x plus 1. 3 minus 2 is positive 1. Okay? So 4x plus 1 is this segment right here. So that's what goes here. Now what do you need to do? Multiply that out, okay? That's going to give me 28x squared plus 7x plus 8x plus 2, which gives me 28x squared plus 15x plus 2. Am I done? Got to go back and add what to that? The x squared plus 2x. Where? Right here? You can. You do that. Okay. So you're adding 29x squared plus 17x plus 2. Okay, so what we're going to do from here, what we're going to do is I'm going to go through all 4 and just make sure we're setting them up right. Okay, then I'll pause and I'll let you go back and actually work them out. Is everybody with me? Okay. All right, so let's start with the small one here. What are we going to multiply for the small one? X plus 3 and x plus 1. You're not doing that yet. Okay, you're not doing that yet. We're just setting it all up. All right, let's look at the larger one. Okay, so I need the whole side of 4x plus 3. Does everybody see that? Okay. All right, and then I'm going to subtract 3x plus 1 minus, because this little part will be x plus 3. All right, what does that give me? What's 3x minus x? 2x. And what's 1 minus 3? Negative 2. So this part will be 2x minus 2. So once you finish here, you'll add this and this after you multiply. Is everybody with me? Okay, I'm not going to do that right now. We'll come back. All right, but I just want to make sure we've got them set up. All right, let's look at the next one. Small part is going to be what? X plus 2 times x plus 2. All right, large part. We know we need the 5x plus 4, right? Okay, and then for this part, we need to take 4x plus 3 and subtract what from it? Thank you. Hey, guess what? Even if you didn't know this time, they're both the same, so you're getting it right. All right, so simplify that out. And 4x minus x gives me 3x. And 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, positive 1. So this part is 3x plus 1. Okay, and then again, once you multiply those out, you'll add those together to get your total area. All right, we'll stop. It doesn't matter. Because you're adding, it won't matter. It won't matter. Because you're adding, so it won't matter. Okay, all right, go ahead and do those two real quick, and then we'll go over those two. All right, so the small area would have been x squared, right? Plus 4x plus 3. That's the area of the small one. All right, let's look at the area of the large one. It should be 8x squared minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2x minus 6. Is that what everybody got? Okay, so we're going to add those two together. Okay, what's 8x squared plus x squared? 9x squared. All right, what's negative 2x plus 4x? 2x and negative 6 plus 3. There is your answer. Are we good? All right. Second one. Okay, small area should have been x squared plus 4x plus 4, yes? All right, large area should be 15x squared plus 5 and plus 12 gives me 5 and 12. 17x, okay, plus 4 times 1? 4. And then we're going to add to that the x squared plus 4x plus 4, which gives you a final answer of what? Good job. All right, question. Does everybody understand how we're getting the area? How we're getting both of the areas? How we have to subtract there? Okay? All right, let's go to the last two. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so the small area here should be x plus 3 and x plus 3. All right, large area. Which side do we need? We need the 4x plus 9, right? And then the part we don't need is 4x plus 6 minus how much? X plus 3. So what's 4x minus x? 3x. And what's 6 minus 3? So 3x plus 3 is here. All right, finish that one out. All right, so you're here, x squared plus 6x plus 9. All right, that's 4x times 3x. Squared. All right, 4x times 3. Okay. 4x times 3 is going to give me 12, right? And then 9 times 3 gives me, so 12x plus 27x gives me a middle number of 39x. And then 9 times 3 is 27. All right, add to that your x squared plus 6x plus 9. And we've got a final answer of 13x squared plus 45x plus 36. Is everybody good? Yeah, your exponents are off, and you're going to be adding more than you need to add. All right, last one. Has anybody worked on it? All right, Deja, what you got for some part of it? It doesn't matter. You tell me what you've got. Yeah, what you got? Yeah, okay. So what Deja's got so far is she went ahead and did this. Okay? She went ahead and did this, which gave me 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. All right, when Deja worked that out, she got 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Is everybody with me? Okay. All right, now, here's what happened on the other part. She has the 6x plus 4. She knows she's going to need that. All right, to get the other side, she took, pay attention, she took 5x plus 1 and subtracted 2x plus 1. Well, what is 5x minus 2x? 3x. And then 1 minus 1 is nothing. See, this is just 3x. So we're going to end up with 18x squared plus 12x. I'm going to add to that 4x squared plus 4x plus 1, making my final answer 22x squared plus 16x plus 1. Good.